Hi, namaskaram everybody. It's been a while since we had the last video. In the last one we had spoken about Geethams and how Geethams are simple compositions that introduce an aspiring Carnatic student into melodic forms that also have lyrical elements in them. Today I thought we will try to mix and match a little bit, and we will try to understand slightly to a more advanced degree a new raga which is called Kalyani, and the intention behind this is also to introduce that Mayamalavgala is where we began as the first raga that we spoke about, but then we have to also, like expanding on the songs that we can play, we have to also expand on the ragas that we are able to play. We saw a little bit of these in the Geethams series that I will make sure is also linked to this video, but this one is the beginning of a new series where we are trying to learn common songs in a particular raga, and this one is Kalyani. So the Arohanam and Avarohanam for Kalyani goes something like Sari Gama Padani Sa Sani Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. If you look at the only notes form of it, basically the stripped off of Gamakas version without any Gamakas, it will sound like with Gamakas. Now I'm gonna play them slowly so that you can pause and rewind and learn them along with me. You see, that was a single slide with a single pick. Another slide, also an oscillatory slide, and then Sa is playing again. So that's okay. I'll play a little bit of Kalyani before we start learning the song itself. That's Kalyani. The song we're gonna learn today is from the movie Chichor. The song's name is Jab Deep Jale Aana. It goes like Jab Deep Jale Aana, Jab Sham Dhale Aana. Yeah, and we will learn how to play this on guitar. So, like again, the Arohanam Avarohanam is it's okay that you can't play this fast. Please practice and it will come with time. So the first line goes like I'll play it again slightly slowly. So the swaras there are Ni Re Ga Pa Ma Pa Pa Ma Pa Ga Re Sa Ni Sa Ni Re. So it's and then the next line goes so it's more or less same, but just the ending is in Sa. Ni Re Ga Ma Pa Ma Re Sa Ni Sa Ni Sa. Once again. We'll continue learning this one in the next episode.